Alexa, set a timer for 60 minutes.
1 hour, starting now.
Hey Cain Crew, welcome back to my channel. Today we are tackling my trashed living room, guys. But here's the gag. I only have 1 hour to get this done. Do you guys think I can? I think I can, but we shall see. But first, I must mention that this is a collaboration with my girl Sanquita from Them Normans. Guys, her energy is so lit. You have got to check her out. I will definitely leave her information linked in the description box below.
Wide awake is the way that you left me, side by side in your car in the backseat. Wide awake is the way that you left me, oh. Now it's clear we are here back at your house, and I keep fading into the background. I'm wide awake, now you keep missing out for sure. Take down your walls and let me, ooh, ooh, ooh.
If you are coming over from Them Normans channel, or if you are new, I want to say hello and welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by today. My name is Cain, and I am a mom of 3, a fiance, and an educator by day. On this channel, I post things such as cleaning motivation, decluttering, organizing, and truly getting my life together, guys. So if that is your thing, if you need the motivation, you need the relatability, I really could consider subscribing and sticking around. Join the crew because we are all in this together.
Take down your walls and let me, ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me, ooh, ooh, ooh. I wanna be right there by your side. I wanna be there, won't you be mine? Take down your walls and let me, yeah, brick by brick, now let me, ooh, 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 ooh.
Okay, so I've organized under the cabinets here just to make it a little more sufficient. But I'm actually about to change my clothes because these pants are working my nerves. So I'm about to go change my clothes and then I'll be right back. But let me see. Alexa, how much time on the timer?
You have 35 minutes left on your 1 hour timer.
I have 35 minutes left. Alexa, pause the timer.
1 hour timer paused.
Okay, so I'm gonna pause the timer and I'm gonna go change my pants. They're just really, really long. They're kind of in my way today, just annoying. So I'm going to go change them and then I'll be back. All right, I am all changed and back and ready to continue to tackle this disaster trashed living room. So let's get it done.
I remember when we woke up, how your body looked like porcelain in the light. No complaining, we were alright. But then again, I thought we were one of a kind. Oh, na na, oh, you're good with lies. Oh, na na, wish I wasn't right. Now every morning when I wake up, you're laying so close, I gotta push you to your side. I go to work while you still sleep, I don't wanna argue cause it's never worth a fight. Oh, na na, oh, you're good with lies.
Okay, so you see my laptop because my class has started. So in the midst of cleaning, I had to also make sure that all of my students were in their testing site and testing. Because they were testing, I found time to still be able to clean since I didn't have to do any hands-on teaching. But you'll see me periodically just making sure that they're all good and that they're testing and where they're supposed to be.
It's gonna make me stay. When we began here, we were simple. Now all we do is turn nothing into rain. And I've been acting all insane. I feel you bringing out the worst inside of me. Oh, na na, oh, you're good with lies. Oh, na na, wish I wasn't right. Whoa, 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 the lovely mess you made. Nah, 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 that's gonna make me say what, the lovely mess you made. Nah, 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 that's gonna make me stay. The lovely mess you You don't know when you left your phone. I saw. You don't know that I know what's going on, but I saw. Whoa, the lovely mess you made. Nah, that's gonna make me say what, the lovely mess you made. Nah, that's gonna make me stay. I've been dreaming all night, bringing me some inspiration. Never meant to love no one, but baby, I saw you for a second and I'm happy that you came my way.
It really behooves me that I filled up a complete contractor bag with trash, but that included like boxes and extra like trash from Christmas stuff that just may have been left behind. But get used to seeing these contractor bags because I'm on a mission to declutter, which I will talk about further in my upcoming videos. But yeah, I'm about to start decluttering, so I'm not upset that it's a contractor bag, but it's just so crazy that it's a contractor bag.
taste of you deserts me. You're all I think about sometimes. But baby, I saw you for a second and I'm happy that you came my way. Don't wanna waste no time without you ever brightening up my days. Never meant to fall so hard. I've been dreaming all night, bringing me some inspiration. Never meant to love no one. Love of mine. Love of mine.
Alexa, stop. All right, so that's my power hour, which we got a lot done. And for the most part, I'm done. I've wiped down the couches. I'm going to steam mop around and then bring the couches back forward. So I am going to add in 20 minutes because I just feel like with filming and trying to get angles, you lose that time, that true power hour. So I'm going to give myself an additional 20 minutes to see if I can get it steam mopped, get this section back together, and we'll see how much I can get done in that 20 minutes. So Alexa, set a timer for 20 minutes.
20 minutes, starting now.
All right, let's see. All right, guys, there you have it. The living room is restored back to all its glory. Very empty. I haven't even decided if I want to put the pillows back on the couch or if I just want to leave it empty for just give me a second. Just give me a blank canvas for a second. Alexa, how much time left on the timer?
You have 30 seconds left on your 20-minute timer.
30 seconds left on the timer, guys. So 1 hour and 20 minutes pretty much exactly. I will catch you guys in my next video. Make sure you go check out my girl at Them Normans. I will have everything linked in the description box below. Other than that, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.